All right, so this is the kidney. It's a pretty tough design. We're gonna have to go all the way to the outside, come all the way around, do a straight line weave, come all the way back around. It's a lot of looping where you can get some speed, but you have to slow down for those straight line weaves. All right, here we go. Let's jump right into that. So familiarization, first one is about familiarization. Second one, a little bit better. We're gonna do 5 total. So nice and easy all the way around everything. And then this one, I'm gonna cut it wide because I have to make, you see how we have to slow it down just a little bit? And then we have to go back all the way around. All the way around. And kind of like the boxer's glove. Nice and easy. You notice how you have to slow down? 33 seconds. That's a tough one. It's a tough one. We're gonna do 5 though. So the first one's always gonna be slowest because you're familiarizing yourself of it. So now I know I have to go all the way around, cut in, around, cut in, and come out. So I'm gonna give it some speed around certain parts, but slow it down for the slalom. So right here, a little bit wide, friction zone throttle control, cut around, give it some speed, because I know I have to come around here. So nice U-turn right here. Use as much space as you need or that you have, as long as you don't hit a cone and you follow the design. That's a tough one, 28 seconds. All right, let's see if we can beat 28 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an emergency stop right there. Good job practice to get yourself right there. And here we go, so number 3. So right here, it's a U-turn. It's another U-turn. It's a U-turn, but it's a wide one. Here's another U-turn right here. Straight line weave, U-turn, nice and easy, counterweight, exit out. Not much for that exit speed, but you got to get it through. 27. All right, number 4, here we go. Same thing. Right here, I'm going to slow it down, look, counterweight, friction zone, head on, looking this way, shoulder, or chin on the shoulder. Go all the way around, look at that last cone, get ready to do a nice U-turn. Really turn that head. Nice and easy. Turn the head where the exit is. There it is. Turn that head, it will help. 28.35, I think I had a 27 there. We're gonna do 2 more. Let's make it nice and easy. Really give yourself that space. Counterweight, head, chin on the shoulder really helps out. All right, here we go. Set this first cone up for success. Give it nice and wide so that you can make this next cone right here easier. Now turn. There we go. Get all the way around. Turn. Now turn that head. Now. Turn the head to the other side. Make it through. Look where at the exit. Exit out. It's tough. 29 seconds. All right, one more. Same thing. I want you guys to try this and see if you can beat my time. So if you guys are in Moto Gymkhana or you have like a better bike, because I'm doing this on a Honda Rebel 500. If you have like a Supermoto, it's probably gonna be a lot easier. Maybe even on a sport bike for that turning radius. I bet this would be really hard on like an Indian Challenger. I think I hit that cone. I gotta exit out. Oh, I hit that with my foot. Perfectly fine. That's a hard one, everybody. It's definitely a hard one. Next one's gonna be the triple threat. Not as hard because the slalom makes this one really hard, but it's still going to be difficult. It's going to be a moderate exercise. But have fun with this. It's really going to make you sore, make you a little bit tired, but you're going to get so bonded with your bike, you're going to be impressed with what you can do on the street.